Hello everyone, welcome to yet another video of daily market analysis from Alpha CQ. So what we are seeing on screen is a Nifty daily chart. So you can see that today was a small range day actually. You can see that we traded entire day from morning within previous day range itself. So yeah, that is what happened today. Since it was an expiry, I think there was a upper hand from sellers to keep market within a range. So yeah, there is nothing much to discuss on daily charts, but one development what we are seeing here is we saw a nice upward day for 2 days, and now we are seeing a sideways move, so which can give some doubts in minds of buyers now, because even in our previous videos we had discussed that the strength of buyers is not that great in this 2 days as well. So if they are not able to take higher prices from here, that will create some doubt in buyer's mind actually. So you can also see that we got rejected exactly from this swing high somewhere around 18,000 to 200 to 250 zones. Yeah, if buyers were strong enough, they should have seen acceptance above this swing high. Yeah, that has not happened now, so that can create some doubts in minds of buyers. So to get a better picture on short-term references, let's get into the profile chart. So what we are seeing here is a Nifty profile chart. So I was talking about this swing high actually. You can see that we are seeing prices stalling around the same zones now. So yeah, if you consider this up move as a strong, then this as a breakout day, looking at this 3 days consolidation, then buyers should have taken prices higher today actually. But what happened is we started trading within previous day's zone, and formed a nice normal standard distribution kind of day today. So which is clear indication of indecisiveness from both buyers as well as sellers. So that is what happened today in Nifty. So yeah, when it comes to points or zones which we have to look for our next trading session is obviously this zone, somewhere around 18,050 to 18,000 zone is very important going forward. So what might happen is, see, if at all we come back here, we should see prices getting rejected. If not, then that will be very bad sign for buyers actually. If at all we start accepting below 18,050 and 18,000, that can open up the probability of test of 17,800 again. And again, prices coming back to 17,800 for the fourth time or fifth time is not good sign for buyers. Then all this buying which happened in this zone somewhere around 17,800 to 18,200 then proves to be some sort of distribution. So just keep an eye on this 18,050 to 18,000 zones if you are looking for a short trade. If you want to enter a long trade based on your analysis, then I think this high will play a very important role, 18,250 to 200 rolls. Unless you start seeing prices accepting above this zone, then longs may not make much of a sense actually. So even after accepting above that, there are a lot of references which needs to be cleared by Nifty. So one is this reference, one is this swing high, and one more thing is this swing high. So yeah, there are a lot of reference to upside when we are looking onto the Nifty. Just keep let's take one reference at a time and see how prices reacts around this 18,250 zones. If at all prices start accepting above that, then we can think of creating longs for a test of this 18,300 or even 18,350 zones. On the short trade, I think it is better to wait for prices to trade below 18,050 and then initiate our short trades. So that was from the profile charts. So now let's see how Nifty developed on the 5 minutes chart today. So again, you can see that we there was nothing much happening today in Nifty also. So you can see there was a clear sideways move which is happening, and VWAP was trading straight flat. So that indicates that more of a seller kind of market, where option sellers wanted market to stay within the range, and they succeeded in doing that. So yeah, that is what happened on 5 minutes chart. Was there any trade on 5 minutes chart? I don't think there was any trade as VWAP was trading very flat here. So there was nothing kind of development which indicated some directional move to happen. So that was from the Nifty 5 minutes chart. Now let's get into the Bank Nifty chart. So what we are seeing here is a Bank Nifty daily chart. So you can clearly see that this is a bigger consolidation, 43 900 or 800 kind of zone to 41 500 zones. And also you can see that we are forming one more smaller consolidation within this, between 42 900 and 41 800 zones. So what might have, yeah, and one more important thing what we can observe here is, you can see if this is the mid of the zone, then you can observe that when we are moving away from the zone, the interest is getting diluted. Same with the upside as well. When you are moving away from the mid of the zone to upside, the interest from buyers is also getting diluted. So yeah, that means someone is doing some serious business in this middle part of the consolidation, somewhere around 42 250 to 42 300 zones. Till this business is finished here, we may not see directional movement in bank nifty. So just be cautious on your trades, because see, when there is no direction conviction or direction clarity, there is no point in taking trades actually. Let's see how markets develop. Let's see if business is done here around this zone or not. Just keep an eye on this consolidation zones. So that was from the daily chart. Now let's get into the profile chart. See, profile chart also, what we saw on the daily chart is also same thing. Profile chart also, we can see that there is nice consolidation happening around 42 900 and 41 800 zones. And today was inside day actually. We traded for an entire day within previous day zone. So yeah, in our previous video also we explained that since today was a expiry, sellers can take some chance to keep markets within zones which will be helpful for them to have nice expiry. So yeah, that is what happened today also. You can see we exactly spent time within previous day zones itself. So yeah, that is what happened. So far on at least on the bank nifty chart, I'm not finding any logical references which can help us to find out or identify any trades actually. So till we are trading within this consolidation, I don't think it will not make much of a sense to look for trades actually. Yeah, if we look into deep charts and want to trade, then we can find trades. But I don't think it is necessary to find trades unless market tells you what it is trying to do. So that was from the profile chart. Let's see what 5-minute chart has done to it. So yeah, again, this is a 5-minute profile chart of bank nifty. So you can see there was some weird movement in this candle and this candle as well. So again, as we saw on the daily chart, you can see here today also it is on a shorter time frame chart. When this is the mid range where some volume is getting attached. As and when we moved away from the interest zone, the interest is getting diluted. So as and when we moved below the average volume traded, the interest is getting diluted and we are seeing prices back to the interest zone. So that is what happened today actually in bank nifty. So yeah, there was no kind of clear trading ideas which could have been generated based on today's move. So yeah, that was from the 5 minutes chart. So hope this discussion will help you in making decision for your next trading session.